one side is for noodles and coffee, black chai. And I want to make boiled eggs also, so it'll be nice to eat. So guys, so we'll have breakfast and then we'll plan to go to a glass bridge. From here it's going to be like 25 kilometers. So let's go there and see how it is. So today only is the last day. We are going to check out the room by afternoon. How's the noodles, bro? Hey guys, back to our channel, and today morning we are planning to go to Glass Bridge. So a little bit excited to see because I see it on Google. So however, I plan to go there, and it's going to be 25 to 30 kilometers. It's going to be like 1 hour drive. We're going to have fun at Wayanad today, and it's open, no? Guys, which place we are going now? Okay, because of it got closed there, so we're going to the other place. So let's see what's going to happen there. Sultan Batri Humti Batheri. We spotted one shop here, Everton. Let me show you. Which one? Crazy man. This is really attractive. What's there? Lemon tea in that, sir? Lemon tea in that. They have a small shop here. It's nice, yeah. Guys, we are heading towards Glass Bridge, and there's a point where you have to, if people are coming in the normal cars, you have to take a jeep. From there they'll be charging some 600 to 700 rupees to take you. However, better if you have a Scorpio and 4x4 vehicles, because off-roading it will be really adventure and fun. So that will be really great to move out. People I've seen a lot of coming in bikes. That's more easier. 365 days open alla timing enda avada timing 9 mani 6 mani. Okay guys, from 9 to 6 in the evening. The charge per head is 300. Parking charge illa 200. Sorry guys, 200. Parking illa parking charge illa. Ivan, IVAN. This is how many years? IVAN. 3 years. Rainy season rainy season open. So guys, 365 days is open. They accept Google Pay also here or cash, but no card. There are contact numbers. Any detail you want to book it before, or any inquiry before you're coming. Yeah. So you can park your cars here. Let's move above. Guys, look at this place. So this is the we got entered to this. It's a private property. We have to pay some charges like 200 rupees. And when you come inside, you can see this rock. They made a kind of stairs to go above. And look at this. It's something nice. It's slightly adventures, and for kids, like small kids, they can come with a family picnic, and it's such a nice place. They have rooms also here availability, and it's going to be really nice at the night times. It's completely forest. You can see the opposite place, it's completely forest, you can see, guys. And there's a two rocks in the between, and they made a bridge to go to the other rock. And look at this, and there are lot to go see in this place. Let me take you guys, and I want to see the glass bridge. Let's go see there how it's been done. Guys, finally I see the glass bridge there. So excited to see. So let's go there and see. Wow, what a beautiful nature, guys. Look at this bridge built, and you can see this is not a glass, it's a fiber, and you can't wear any footwears because they get scratches and you can't see it down. So might be because of that they're not allowing any footwears, so all have to go with bare feet. And wow, it's such a beautiful, this is the first glass bridge I've been. There are many big ones, but this is just a small one, but it's made it very well nice. You can see the nature in the front. So completely a forest. There's another mountain there I see. Wow, you can see birds humming. What a beautiful, guys. Everyone have to come to this place. It's Wayanad is exploring place. You can explore as much you can, and there is nothing stops you from this. And look at this depth. This is 900 feet above it is, and it doesn't look like, but when you look from far, definitely you have to go down and see. Yeah, my first shot was near to 10. This is the first time I'm trying this. So maybe I might be out. There's a shot there. That's it. So you can aim it there. There's a point where you can aim it. Last time. Last try. Maybe let me try. The rock somewhere. It was good fun. Thanks, sir. At a time 3 people can walk on this rope. Guys, this is a rope bridge, and it's like 200 meters from this side to the other side. It is really interesting to walk on the rope, and it hurts because you're not wearing a footwear, and the ropes are harder, and due to that we really can't walk. But however, I tried to reach the other side. It was really fun and adventure. Guys, we have come for lunch here. Hotel name is Tarwadi.
butterfruit.
टच हो गया पूरा ये.
This will become fruit, no? Become fruit, no? No, it will become palam. This is raw, no?
Yeah, you'll have to put it in rice.
Guys, we had a great lunch and we are heading down to Calcutta. Before that,
Guys, this is Aripara waterfalls.
So let me take you
Aripara
to the
waterfalls. Guys, this is something different waterfalls. You can see this. People can slide from here. Huh? Yeah. Where is it? Bangalore.
Oh,
So crazy too.
So finally going back, we had come late and we had just 30 minutes. I tried to maximum, I tried to capture at this waterfalls views, and it was the best waterfalls and it was not too much water. It was good to play and really enjoyed, and there was a slide here. It was really totally different experience I had here. Another best part of this water was best to play. It was not really cold and the water was perfect to play, and I didn't have much time to enjoy at this place, guys. And however, now we are heading back to home, and always I come to Kerala, I spend some time with my friends, like 2 to 3 days we plan for a trip and we go out. So this time we have planned to Wayanad, and we really had a great time at Wayanad. And now we are going back to Cochin. So before that we'll go to Calcutta, have nice dinner there, and from there my friends will drop me at Chalakoti. This time Ethan has grown up. He's been 4 years. He loves going for trip, and so hopefully we can see some wild animals. We're really lucky. I want to show Ethan lively at Valpara, towards Valpara. He'll really be happy. So guys, be with me